You want to move forward but you keep thinking about your sins and feel hopeless. Don't. It's easier said than done. It's Satan's handiwork, messing up your mind. You deserve His mercy. Never lose hope. The Almighty will forgive as long as you're turning to Him. Seek Him sincerely. You become what you constantly think about. If you think you can, you probably won't make it. If you think you're a failure, you'll end up not doing anything significant in life. If you think negative thoughts always, you'll end up with negative results. Guard your thoughts. As humans, we tend to compare. Don't think of others who seem to have a better life. The trouble is we see perfect images everywhere today. We wonder why we don't have the same. Don't fall into that trap. Thank the Almighty for all that you've been blessed with. Your time is the most valuable gift you can give to your family. Money comes and goes but the memories will stay far beyond all that. The strong bond you develop will last a long while. Start giving the gift of time before it's too late. Don't put it off because life's too short. Don't feel that you have to tell everyone what you've been up to in your life. You don't. Nobody needs to know everything. Don't announce it on social media too because having people with eyes that constantly pry into your private life is not healthy. It attracts envy and hatred. Why are you being tested again and again? One hardship after another while others have it so easy. Until you're broken, you don't truly know your inner strength. Embrace what happens and use it to build yourself all over again. But this time, stronger than ever. The Almighty knows. Misunderstanding often leads to grudges. When we hold a grudge, we give someone power over our emotions. Without forgiveness, it's easy to let things get out of hand. When we forgive, our doors and avenues to goodness open up. It puts our relationship with Him back on track. Learn to quieten the negative voices in your head. If you start entertaining them, they will get louder and demand more attention. It's all part of Satan's plan to get you down in the dumps. Don't give in. Put up a barrier of positivity around you and see how your life shapes up. Be wary of toxic people around you. Those who come in to lower your self-esteem. Those who come into your life and leave you worse off than you were before. They will hinder your growth and cause you misery. Learn to spot them. Don't get involved with them. Say a prayer for them. The trouble with us is we hate waiting. We want everything to happen on our terms. We think of waiting as negative, we get impatient when nothing is happening. Remember, the Almighty is watching how we behave while waiting. How we get to the destination is just as important.